If you've been injured, it's important to take action quickly to protect your health and your legal rights. Here are the steps you should take. Number 1, seek medical attention immediately. Even if you don't think you're seriously hurt, it's important to get checked out by a doctor. This will help to document your injuries and rule out any underlying medical conditions. Number 2, report the incident. If you're injured at work, report it to your employer. If it's a car accident, report it to the police. In other cases, report the incident to the relevant authority or owner of the property where the injury occurred. Number 3, keep a record of everything. Keep a record of all medical visits, treatment, and any symptoms or pain you experience. Also, document the incident itself. Where, when, and how it happened. Take photos of your injuries and the accident scene if possible. Number 4, get witness information. If there were any witnesses to the incident, try to get their names and contact information. Their statements could be vital if you need to prove what happened. Number 5, be cautious about talking to insurance companies. Don't provide statements to insurance companies or sign any documents before you understand your legal rights. Number 6, track your expenses. Keep receipts and records of all expenses related to your injury, including medical bills, travel expenses for medical treatment, and any lost wages if you're unable to work. Number 7, consult a lawyer. Consider consulting a personal injury lawyer to understand your legal rights and options. Most lawyers in this field offer free initial consultations and work on a contingency fee basis. Number 8, watch your social media. Be cautious about what you post on social media. Insurance companies and defense lawyers might use your social media posts to dispute your claim. Number 9, follow your treatment plan. Follow the treatment plan recommended by your healthcare providers. Failing to follow medical advice can negatively impact your injury claim. Number 10, be aware of the deadlines. Be aware of the time limits for filing personal injury claims or the statute of limitations period. These vary by jurisdiction and by type of claim. Number 11, be patient. Personal injury cases can take time to resolve, so it's important to be patient and work closely with your attorney. Remember, each personal injury case is unique, and the appropriate steps can vary depending on the specifics of your situation. Consulting with a legal professional is often the best way to ensure you take the right steps for your case. Call our office today so we can help.